Friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoy their life with their sweet family and sweet friends like me. I'm also good. I'm also perfect. Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with very impressive and very fantastic and cutest ideas, beautiful crochet cushion designs. It's amazing and fantastic crochet cushion designs and ideas about your beautiful sofa sets for your beautiful drawing room and beds. So please keep watching my video and keep supporting my channel. Don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. So please like, comment and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. My dear friend, you can buy these all beautiful, fantastic and stylish crochet cushion designs on your own city. But if you want to buy online, then it has some websites name. But my dear friend, you can also make this pattern. Make this collection with your hands because it's handmade collection, knitting easy and free pattern, easy, simple pattern for every lady and beginners. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this all video with your all family and friends. So please don't go anywhere and don't forget sharing these all video with your family and friends. Wow, it's amazing, fantastic and stylish ideas and cutest ideas and good looking ideas, fantastic and adorable, beautiful cushion, crochet cushion. So please guys, like, comment and don't forget sharing these all video with your all family and friends. It's amazing and fantastic ideas, cutest and stylish ideas, cushion designs. So please don't like, comment, don't forget sharing. Please like, comment. It's beautiful white, black, beautiful stylish and gorgeous ideas, crochet cushion. It's amazing and fantastic ideas, crochet cushion designs. Okay, now we have to go. Bundle of thanks.